Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes science channel. In our today's video, we are going to learn the difference between the electrophile and the nucleophile in just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's start the video with the note of electrophile. Okay, electrophile. So what is electrophile? See, students, electro means electron. Electro means electron, and phile means love, verb or love. Phile means love, okay, or lover you can say. So whatever the thing will be electrophile, it will be he or she will be loving electron. Loving electron, it means sir, uh, Na plus. Yeah sir, because Na plus needs an electron, it means it will definitely gonna love her. Oh sorry, love electron. Because the thing we need, we love also. So like this, sodium cation will need electron. That is why sodium cation will become a electrophile, because electron lover. But see, electrophiles are not negatively charged. From the word electro means negative electron charge, but see, electrophiles are generally positive. Electrophiles are generally positive, I'm saying, because sometimes it can be neutral also. Sometimes it can be neutral also, but this time it is positively charged cation. Like BS3, it is borane. It is a electrophile, but it is having zero charge, or you can say a neutral electrophile. Neutral electrophile. Okay, because boron have empty orbital, that is why it takes the electron and becomes electrophile. Because the thing whichever will need electron, it will become electrophile. Or you can say electron lovers are electropositive in nature. Electropositive in nature means sir, electropositive are metals. It means metals cations, or you can say metals are generally become electrophile. Yeah, this is true, absolutely. Generally metals cations become electrophile cations, like Na plus, Zn2 plus, Al3 plus, Fe2 plus, Cu2 plus, Hg2 plus. These all are nucleophile students. These all are nucleophile, but they are cation based nucleophile. There are also neutral nucleophile. Sometimes negatively charged nucleophile are also there. Okay. So the point of nucleophile, I think it is clear to you. Now coming to nucleophile, sir. Nucleophile. What is it, sir? See, nucleo means students nucleus. What you can say nucleus, or you can say proton. A phile means lover. Means nucleophile loves proton or positively charged, or you can say protons are positive charge. Whosoever loving positively charged, he or she will be negatively charged. Means if OH minus is there, which is commonly known as hydroxyl ion, it needs electron. No sir, it does not need electron. It needs a partner who can take its electron, because whenever there will be charge, it becomes unstable to live. So OH minus wanted to remove this minus from it. It means it is removing its electron, or you can say it is loving positive charge, because positive charge will only need the electron. It means sir, electrophile and nucleophile are mutually correlated. Means OH minus will be satisfied with H plus, because H plus is a H plus is a electrophile which gonna take its electron, and electron lover. And because it is loving a proton, because it needs a proton to take its electron, it means it is a nucleophile. It is a nucleophile. Simply, in simply words, you can understand this. Likewise, Cl minus, Br minus, or you can say iodine minus, F minus, these all are nucleophile. sulfur, SO4, 2 minus sulfate ion, carbonate ion. These all are nucleophile strands. Okay, I hope you all are clear with the terms electrophile and the nucleophile, and you also get to know the difference between them. They are mutually related with them, because electrophile and nucleophile cannot be stable, uh, or you can say cannot be stable individually. They need to collaborate so that they can live longer life. Okay, so this is the form of water molecule in which H is a positive oxygen. Due to electronegative, it takes electron from this H, and it will become OH minus, and this is H plus, and both are stabilized due to electron or transfer वगैरह. Okay, I hope you are clear with the concept of our today's video. Well, if you love the video, you make sure to like and subscribe our channel. We'll meet in our next video covering these types of topics only. Till then, Jai Hind to everyone.